Presence helps a user decide when and how to contact a person they need to connect with. Presence helps other users make informed decisions on how to communicate with the right person at the right time. Presence updates in real time, while the user is checking the presence information. Kai Axford and Scott Bishop's statuses both update to indicate that they are both in calls. Users can see presence indicators and initiate conversations directly from within Office applications, all while maintaining context. For example, the user, apart from checking for the presence indicator of a contact from the buddy list of Microsoft Lync 2010, can also right-click another user's presence icon from the To line in Microsoft Outlook, or from the Modified By column of a SharePoint website, and send an instant message or place a call to that user. If the user is editing a Word document, then by simply viewing the backstage of the Word document, they can view the presence information for authors and editors of the document. Furthermore, the line of business APIs allow presence information to be displayed across any custom line of business applications, so that the users can know the status of their contact without leaving the application they are in. We will now see how to use presence on a regular basis in a typical work environment. Let us meet Scott Bishop. Scott considers inviting April Stewart to chat. He performs a quick person search to locate April and check her presence information. In Lync 2010, we've added pictures, which are drawn from SharePoint, so you can quickly see the person you need to connect with. Scott types sales and hits enter. Lync 2010 displays a list of people that matches the criteria Scott entered. As Scott looks at the list, he finds that Jose Sareva's indicator shows that he is offline. Scott decides that April is the best person who is currently available to answer his question. As Scott is contemplating whether to call her or walk over to her office, he finds that her current location says home, and he also notices that April has left a note in her contact card. The note says that she is working from home in the latter part of the day. So he decides it is best to invite her for a chat over IM. Connecting could also be about staying informed about the status of colleagues and contacts. Of course, you can see everyone's availability, but in Lync 2010, the activity feed aggregates changes in status notes, organization title, office location, and picture. It's a fun way for users to stay informed about important updates to their network and to share information with others.
In Outlook 2010, with a single click, Karen can reply to the email and easily schedule a meeting of the team. The meeting invitation includes the prior conversation for later reference, and she can add a few notes to clarify the meeting agenda. Karen also gets handy mail tips here, letting her know things such as if someone is out of the office. This out-of-office message refers her to someone else who is filling in while this person is out, so she can get the meeting invite right the first time. Since Lync is integrated right here, with a single click, Karen can add an online meeting, so the remote team members can easily join. External users can also be invited, and they have the choice of a web app or rich client to join any meeting. When the meeting is ready to begin, Karen can just as easily join the meeting from Outlook. As easy as that, Karen is on the call. No more punching in phone numbers and passcodes to join a call. Her online status in Lync has updated automatically to in a conference call, so others know it may not be the best time to try and call her with a question. The remote participants will have a similar experience as they join. Karen can add video to the call. She can share a screen, a program, a PowerPoint presentation, or even create a virtual whiteboard. Tomas is sharing the PowerPoint presentation on the new line, so he can teach the rest of the team how to pitch it. While they continue with the meeting, Karen is going to mute herself and lower the volume. Lync intelligently switches video depending on who's speaking. If someone is making too much noise on the call, Karen can easily mute them. See how rich animations can be viewed in PowerPoint. But here's the best part. Karen has seen most of this presentation before and doesn't want to sit through it all again. So while Tomas is bringing everybody else up to speed, Karen can jump ahead to the parts that interest her. If she has a question about a slide and wants to bring everyone to where she is, she can take over as presenter. She can also view other slides privately while everyone else follows along with Tomas.